Low pressure system to the southwest of Victoria will deepen as it moves to the southeast over Tasmania during today. An associated low pressure trough will also move across western and central Victoria this morning before crossing eastern Victoria during the afternoon. This force 13's Australia-Oceania Channel where strong and gusty winds over southern and mountain areas during today. Severe weather warning has been updated for damaging winds by the Bureau of Meteorology in Victoria, and the warning is in place for the central east Gippsland, the southwest, north central, northeast, west and the south Gippsland and Wimmera districts. Damaging north to northwesterly winds averaging 50 to 70 kilometres an hour with peak gusts of 90 to 100 kilometres an hour expected to develop over inland parts of the warning area this morning, mainly affecting areas above the 800 metres elevation. Damaging west to northwesterly winds averaging 50 to 60 kilometres an hour with peak gusts to 90 kilometres an hour expected to develop about the Otways and far southern Gippsland late this morning. On the screen is a look at windy.com. It's the ECMWF wind model out to this time next week. Winds are expected to ease in the west during the afternoon and evening over eastern areas. Locations under the warning: Grampians, Ballarat, the Otway Ranges, Baw Baw, the Wilson's Promontory, Hotham and Falls Creek. The Bureau also has a gale wind warning in place for the East Gippsland coast. Strong wind warning again for the Port Phillip Bay, Western Port, Gippsland Lakes, West Coast Central and Central Gippsland coast. Now we have a look at the latest supercell probabilities. This is from 7 a.m. through to about 1400 hours tomorrow, which is a public holiday here in Queensland and I think South Australia. For Sydney, partly cloudy, possible shower in Melbourne, cloud clearing Brisbane, partly cloudy over there in Perth, shower to Adelaide, a few showers in Hobart, partly cloudy and windy Canberra, and mostly sunny up there in Darwin. Now we have a look at the storm probabilities for the same period. Maximum temperatures for the capital cities: Sydney 23, Melbourne 24, 28 Brisbane, 22 Perth, 19 Adelaide, Hobart 21, Canberra 29 and a hot 34 in Darwin. At the time of producing this update, Sydney 17.7, 23.7 Melbourne, 22.9 Brisbane, 11.7 in Perth, Adelaide 16.4, 13.9 Hobart, 16.4 Canberra, 27.3 in Darwin. Now we have a look at the wind probabilities. At the 850 millibar level. Force 13's main channel is now keeping a close eye on a developing typhoon up there in the West Pacific region. We'll be doing a 6-hourly update and a likely threat to Japan. The Bureau's latest 24-hour rainfall outlook information, right hand side of the screen, and as I mentioned in our previous update yesterday, it's the area south of Fraser Island down to the southeastern tip of Victoria and Baw Baw Island, west coast of Tasmania.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force 13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.